Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai Accent 2020 model, and this car have a problem. When I start car, engine light on, you can see here, that's the problem. And so today I will show you what is the problem actually. So first of all, we check in our computer engine travel code. Here P0108 Manifold absolute pressure sensor circuit high, or intake air temperature sensor 1 circuit high. Fault code P0108 and P0113. Okay, so today I will show you how you can solve this problem. If you are here in fault came circuit high, how you can solve this problem. So manifold pressure sensor, I will show you now. Here is the engine room, and this is manifold pressure sensor. This one, you can see here, this sensor, this one. Okay, so first we check, we remove wire and test. There is a 4 wire, you can see here. So we check which one volt came and which one ground. So first we fix this in ground, and now I already ignition on car and check how much volt came. There is a 4 wire, you can already see here. Okay, white and purple color, this is came 5 volt. First we check white and purple, first wire check in, see there is a 5 volt in ignition on when 5 volt. Okay, and second wire, which is pink wire, this one. So pink wire also have 5 volt. Okay, so and now there is a 2 wire, one is yellow, one is orange. Okay, yellow and orange, this is yellow and this is orange wire. Orange wire for body ground, or this one yellow wire, see here 5 volt. Okay, so now we check in orange wire, this plus wire fix in positive, and check orange wire, this is body ground, but you can see this is not working. That means there is somewhere wiring damage, body ground is not there. Okay, so check here, see this is accident car. I found this orange wire damage, sorry, orange, this is brown color, see this is damage here. So that's the problem. That's why engine light on and fault came in manifold pressure sensor not working. Okay, so now I fix it and I will show you. See, wire damage. Now I fix it back and I will show you. See, now I fix it properly and with tape, and now I check in this wire there is 12 volt ground or not. See now this is perfect. Okay, great success. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.